Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I am Semanur, consultant for aesthetic treatments like dental care, hair transplant, and plastic surgery in Turkey. First of all, my channel is quietly getting bigger and bigger. Thank you for that. More and more questions are coming in about the treatments. Because of this, I have chosen this week to tell what happens in a year after the hair transplant treatment. Hopefully all questions will be answered. Enjoy! We start with the first stage after the 11th day of the hair transplant. About washing the scabs I have explained in detail in my video. How do we wash our head after the hair transplantation? All scabs have come off and existing hairs have grown back about 0.3 millimeters. From now on, the transplanted hairs will start to fall out very gradually. This does not always happen, but usually does. This is completely normal. The hair follicles have been weakened by the move and will therefore reject the hairs at first. Here I have while showing pictures of how it should look in the first stage. When you experience itching in the donor area, it's important to not scratch. This can cause the skin to become more irritated and this can lead to inflammation or shock loss. Shock loss means that the existing hair will fall out. This is a temporary condition and will recover after a few weeks to months. If you suffer from itching, you can apply a thin layer of lotion twice a day. 6 to 12 weeks after the hair transplant. This is the most difficult period. The transplanted hair has fallen out and the hair follicles are now resting while the existing hair is already growing. The skin may look reddish pink. This is due to blood flow and is therefore good. No, it is just a matter of waiting for the growth of the transplanted hair to start. You can start stimulating the blood flow from 1 month after the hair transplant with the products we recommend. About the products that can be used after the hair transplant, I am going to post in another video. When the skin is completely healed, you can cut the hair shorter with scissors for the first time after 1 month. Trimmer in the first month can damage the transplanted hair. Trim the donor area after 1 month with attachment and after 6 months without attachment. The transplanted hair on the top after 3 months with attachment. 3 months after the hair transplant, the growth will now start slowly. The blood flow at the front of the head is always runs better than on the top at the crown. Therefore, the front will come through sooner. The front starts to take shape after 5-6 months. The crown will not start growing until 6-7 months. The better the blood flow, the faster and healthier the hair growth. At about 12-14 months, you are at the end result. 5 to 7 months after the hair transplant. If you still see little or no hair growth, you should contact the doctor. The doctor can then advise how to stimulate the hair growth. In general, you should now be at the 45% of the growth process. 10 months after the hair transplant, your front view should look good by the 10th month. We always keep advising you to keep stimulating the blood flow, because the better the blood flow, the more beautiful the results. From now on, the crown should show nice growth for the next 4 months. The hair is now at about the 70% of the growth process. 12 or 14 months after the hair transplant. Now we are at the end result of the hair transplant. About 97% of the transplanted hair should start to grow. I would like to mention a few more points for which is the best to contact the doctor during the growth process. Severe itching, redness, warmth of the skin, fever, bumps, inflammations, extreme discoloration of the skin, extreme hair loss, loss of hair at the donor area. So, that's it for today. If there are any questions, you can ask them here at the comment section. May I friendly ask you to support my channel by liking and subscribing? Thank you. See you next week. Bye bye.